Hi everyone, I'm Rozina. حالتون چطوره? It means how are you in Farsi language. Very welcome back to Let's Cook with Rozina. Today I'm trying my hand at a Persian dish called Koko Tare Farangi, a leek omelette. It's just a few ingredients, budget friendly, super delicious, and very easy to make it. For making leek omelette, I first went shopping to local store to buy fresh leek, a dozen eggs, some other things, and got back home and ready to whip up a delicious leek omelette. Okay, here we have a beautiful fresh leek. First, separate the white part of the leek from the green part because we just want to use the green part. Slice the leek thinly, and after slicing the leek into rings, carefully separate the layers of each ring. Perfect. To remove dirt and sand, place sliced leeks in a bowl of cold water. Gently scrub to loosen any dirt or sand and let them set for about 5 minutes. Use your hands to remove the leeks to another plate because the sand sinks to the bottom of the bowl, and repeat this process for 2-3 times until the water is no longer sandy, and then dry the water out of them. Grate 3-4 cloves of garlic over the sliced leeks for an extra delicious touch. Add this 3 tablespoons plain flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half a teaspoon turmeric, salt, pepper to taste. Crack 4 large eggs in a bowl. Whisk them with a wire whisk until the yolks and whites are fully combined and the mixture is smooth. Carefully pour the egg mixture over the sliced leeks. Gently fold the eggs and leeks together using a spatula or fork until the ingredients are fully incorporated. Okay, we're going to start pouring oil in a non-stick pan over medium to low heat and spread it evenly. Pour the mixture into the pan. Gently smooth the top with your spatula or a spoon and cover it with a lid and let it cook for about 10 minutes over medium-low heat. The time may vary depending on the thickness of your omelette. Okay, as you see, the top and sides of the omelette looks dry and golden. All I'm doing is carefully place a plate on top of the pan and with a quick motion, flip the omelette onto the plate and then gently slide the omelette back into the pan and cook the other side over high heat for about a minute or over low heat for a couple of minutes. Our Koko Tare Farangi is ready. I turn off the heat and transfer it to a serving plate. We have a good looking leek omelette or Koko Tare Farangi, and you should see a nicely cooked omelette with a nicely done edges. Hey guys, welcome back. It's final part of my leek omelette or Koko Tare Farangi recipe. This is Rozina here. I wish you were here and you could smell this leek omelette. It's amazing. This delicious Persian leek omelette can be enjoyed as a main or side dish. You can pair it with flat naan bread like lavash bread or tortilla, or as a sandwich. Also, rice is another common carb eaten with this tasty omelette. It just makes a fantastic breakfast or as a simple supper if time is short. Leek omelette is a delicious and savory dish. A classic breakfast or brunch dish that combines the delicate flavor of leeks with the rich and creamy texture of eggs. However, it's best to consume leek omelette hot and freshly cooked, but you can keep the Koko Tare Farangi in the fridge for up to 4 days in an airtight container to keep them fresh and flavorful. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. Until next time, God bless and lots of love. Bye! Or as we say in Farsi, Khuda Hafiz.